Okay, so let's start looking into how to use the online version of the brand canvas. So you will get access to the Miro board, which you can copy and then edit yourself. There is the brand canvas, and there's here the brand archetype cards, the brand personality traits, and tone of voice. Brand archetype cards and tone of voice cards are two-sided. So when you are looking at it, you double click on the card and you can read the other side of the card. What I do when I facilitate this workshop is that I share this board with the participants of the workshop, right? So you invite those people that need to be there when you are discussing the brand personality. Here you can enter their names. So they have two red dots, two green dots that they can move. So they take the red dot and they put it on the archetype that they think does not represent the brand, and they take the green dot and they put it on the archetype that they think represents the brand. So at the end of it, you'll have, green and red dots everywhere, and you'll be able to see the two yeses and the two no's. So what you do then is that you copy the archetype, the top no, and you move it onto the brand archetype by doing Command V. Yeah, like this. You do that for all the other components, such as brand personality traits. So you let people choose, which they think, and then let them read and let them discuss. And then at the end of it, when you've consolidated everything, you just take the personality trait that is a yes, let's say, and you copy to the yes box. So that's how you fill out the brand canvas. There is some sort of loading issues sometimes, but don't worry about it, it's all good. So same for tone of voice. Again, tone of voice has, the card has two sides. So if you want to read, let's say people made their choices, you can ask people to read the other side and have a discussion about it. And it's kind of pretty fun. What is also here on the brand canvas is there are two additional templates for the customer persona and positioning statement. So, for example, if you wanted to do the positioning statement for where we are right now and then the positioning statement where we want to go next, then you kind of have two templates. The way to fill that out is that you use the text tool here and you enter the text and then increase that. It's pretty straightforward. You can kind of copy the template by using Command C on Mac and then doing Command V if you wanted an additional template. Then when you are done with it all, you can, when it's all filled out, right, you can export it as a PDF. So you click on the edge of the board, long press the button, and then click on Export an Image. You can choose a vector PDF, click on Export, and then you'll have the PDF version you can download. What I also like to do is that I really use this board then as a central board for all the key ideas that came during the workshop. So, you can add the note here, and if somebody was taking notes during the meeting, you can say notes and then add a link to the document. You can drag in here Dropbox files, Google Drive files, and images easily. It's a very good tool to play with. Plus you can invite people here. So good luck with that. If you have any questions, drop them on the Slack channel.